Hello, in front of me I have TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this device. Okay, so we have two options how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot from the power menu. To launch the power menu, all we need to do is to simply hold the power button. It's located right in here. Simply hold it for around, I don't know, 0.2 seconds, and this menu will appear. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart button, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. But we also have the force restart as a second method, and the force restart is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive, when it's lagging and it's not working properly. So to force restart this device, simply hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. And don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens. Simply hold both of the buttons. Okay, the screen went black. And when you feel a little vibration, you can release your fingers, and now within a few seconds, just like in the previous case, the phone will be turned on automatically, and then it will be ready to use. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.